We are going to continue our work on matching beginning sounds. First, we're going to match the pairs of words that begin with the same sound. So find number one. I have robot. Say the word with me, saying the first sound really well. Robot. What sound do you hear at the beginning of robot? Did you say Now I need to look at the bottom and try to find a match. Would it be bed, peg, moon, run, pig, or sock? If you said run, you are right. The next one, penguin. Say it with me. Penguin. What sound do we hear first? P, p, p. Look at the pictures on the bottom. We have tent, moon, bed, pig, sock. Which one do we hear? P. You're right, pig. Number three, sun. Say the word with me. Sun. What does your mouth do at the first sound? S. So now I have to think. Does bed, tent, moon, or sock match that sound? Sun, sock. Now you try one by yourself. Number four, B. Does the first sound in B match bed, tent, or moon? Did you say bed, B, bed? Both start with B. Number five, top. Does tent or moon start like top? If you said tent, you were right. Top, tent. Last one, let's make sure you're right. Does mitten and moon both start the same? What sound do they both start with? Let's move on to our new sight word. Our new word this week is and. If I sound out, and. Put it together, and. Sound out with me. And. Read the word. Spell the word. A-N-D. Read the word again. I like to blank and blank. So tell somebody at your house what you like to do. I could say, I like to read and draw. What do you like to do?